Welcome to Fairview Microwave's RF Cable Designer. Begin designing your cable from any one of our 3 starting options. Let's start with Connector 1. Filter through our growing selection of over 700 RF connector types by choosing the parameter options that fit your needs. Selecting an option will filter out parameters that are not compatible. Next, let's select your cable. Choose from over 125 different coaxial cables with varying physical and electrical characteristics. After each selection, only compatible results will remain. Now it's time to choose your final connector type. If you know the part number of a connector you would like to use, you can just click and search exactly what you're looking for. You can also refine the list of connectors by selecting your desired options for the parameters listed. Most of our cables come standard with a single heat shrink, but if you have any additional assembly requirements, you can remove the heat shrink option, request a lead-free solder, or where appropriate, add a desired connector clocking angle. Once you have your custom cable assemblies designed to fit your project's exact specifications, press Create Cable Assembly. We might already have your cable in stock, in which case you will be taken to the existing product page where you can select your custom length, quantity, and add to cart. But if by chance we don't, our team of assembly specialists will bring your unique RF cable design to life with its own SKU number that you can use to order your newly created assembly immediately, or reorder your custom cable assembly in the future, ensuring that your cable can be successfully configured, built, and shipped by our production team. If at any point you need help, start a chat session with one of our customer support reps or give our technical support staff a call. We will be happy to answer any questions you may have. For when commercial off-the-shelf RF cable assemblies won't meet your requirements, Fairview Microwave. The right parts, right away.